Hey everybody, welcome back. Now, here's the deal. I've been doing some soul searching lately, because our whole culture is all about materialism and accumulating, and now I'm trying to go against the grain now. And I realize that there's a lot of people right now, it's cool to go against the grain, and I'm on board with that. Like that gal, Mary Kondo. Oh, Mary Kondo, she's got the right idea. You got too much stuff, so you need to thank it for everything it's done for you and pass it on. So what she's done is she's spiritualized it, which I can appreciate. Because you got to remember that garbage is people too. And you want to thank it for its service to you and then let it go. But here's the deal. Oh, Mary, she hasn't taken it far enough. Because what she's doing is she's saying you thank it for what it's given you and then you give it on to somebody else. Well, that's garbage. She's perpetuating the cycle of materialism. We don't want to do that. So what I've been doing is I thank it for its service and then I pitch that junk. And then I realized I'm getting so free from this that I haven't even taken it far enough. So what I'm going to do is if I feel free from this and I care about my friends, I should start relieving them of their garbage also. So let's take Sean for instance. Here we go. What I want to do here is I want to say, oh, thank you, coffee mug. You've really helped me out. I release you. See how easy that is? Look, hat, thanks. I feel so free. And so will Sean. Let's look over here. Here we go. This here's Rob's desk. Let's see what he's got going on here. Look at these hats. These would have been great for him. Thank you for that. Perfect. Some snacks. You've done enough. There you go, Rob. You're free. So in conclusion, just remember, your junk could be someone else's treasure, and their treasure could be your junk. You decide. Thank you. See you next week.